Well, good afternoon, everyone. So today is the day for a health insurance product, and we are taking up today a new product called Shri Hospital Daily Cash Benefit Insurance. You can call it as Hospital Daily Cash Benefit Insurance. So this is one policy which provides the wonderful benefits because this is a benefit based health insurance policy. See the overview of the policy. This policy is meant for the persons up to the age of 45 years. Entry age is between 91 days to 45 years. Self, spouse and dependent children can be covered individually in one policy. Dependent children between age 91 days to 25 years can be covered. Proposal of 18 years above is mandatory to cover children below 18 years of age. In base plan, that is premium is less than 1,000, or per day limit is 1,000, of hospital daily cash only minor child below 18 years cannot be covered in the policy. At least one parent has to be covered in policy along with children. So what is hospital daily cash insurance? In fact, hospital daily cash is a benefit based insurance which provides you a daily cash allowance. There are a lot of out of pocket expenses during hospitalization, and these expenses are generally not covered in the medical and insurance policies. So a person with or without any existing policy can take this hospital daily cash benefit insurance. Because you see, in medical policies, lot of expenses are not covered. For example, admission fee, registration fee, processing charges, non-medical items like gloves, betadine, cotton, cost of surgical equipments, accessories, food expenses, loss of pay, expenses of attendants, travel expenses of your family members, and other out-of-pocket expenses which are not payable. So these are all deducted when the health insurance claim is settled under a medical insurance policy. In such a case, this hospital daily cash insurance policy provides coverage under two different plans. These plans are basic plan, that is with 3 types of covers, and the second one is advanced plan with 6 types of covers. Basic plan, 3 types of covers, advanced plan, 6 types of covers. So Shri Hospital Daily Cash Insurance Policy will provide coverage under these two plans. Plan types are two only, basic plan and advanced plan. Plan available in days like 90 days, 120 days, 180 days, and these days are common in both the plans. Per day benefit limit is in thousands, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. And in both the plans, these 5 options are available. But what are the coverages there? That is interesting to understand. Because this coverage is for 6 things. 3 of them is covered under the basic plan, and these are sickness daily hospital cash benefit, accident hospital cash benefit, intensive care unit benefit. These 3 categories are covered under the basic plan. And in addition, convergence benefit, compassionate benefit, and childbirth hospital cash. So in total, these 6 categories are covered under the advanced plan. So try to understand, in these two plans, two features are common. They are plan available in days, and these are days are 90, 120 and 180 in both the plans. Per day benefit limit is common because 5 options are there in both the plans. These options are 5, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 and 5,000. This is as per the choice of the insured. Whatever per day benefit limit you want to select, you can select. The basic plan will cover 3 categories of benefits. These are sickness daily hospital cash benefit, accident hospital cash benefit and intensive care unit benefit. Basic plan is limited for these 3 categories only. But in advanced plan, in addition to these 3 categories, 3 more categories are there like convulsions benefit, compassionate benefit and childbirth hospital cash. So in total 6 categories are covered under the advanced plan. Now, what these categories are, let's understand separately. The first one says that is sickness daily hospital cash benefit. During the policy period, if the insured person suffers from any disease or illness and requires hospitalization, then insured will be eligible for hospital daily cash benefit. But 24 hours of continuous and completed period will be considered as 1 day. So this 24 hours hospitalization minimum should be there. And under this clause, the deductible is only 1 day. 1 day deductible is mandatory. Let's see with an example. Mr. X opted 90 days and 5,000 rupees per day benefit cover. Hospitalization period was 5 days. So when the claim will be settled, 1 day deductible will apply and the claim will be for 4 days only because hospitalization period is 5 days. So 4 days into 5,000 rupees per day means the claim payable is 20,000 rupees. Now, since the days selected were 90 and claim paid is only for 4 days, so 86 days are still remaining. This is sickness daily hospital cash benefit where 1 day deductible will be applicable and 24 hours minimum hospitalization is required if the insured suffers any disease or illness during the policy period and hospitalized. The second category is accident hospital cash benefit. Under this category, if the insured sustains bodily injury due to accident and requires hospitalization during the policy period, then the insurer will pay to the insured person 2 times of daily hospital cash. But minimum 24 hours hospitalization is required. And there is no deductible at all under this category because this is due to accident or injury. Let's understand it with an example. Mr. X opted basic plan for 90 days and 5,000 rupees per day benefit limit. He suffered or he met with an accident and hospitalized for 5 days. Now after discharge he filed the claim. So insurer will settle his claim for 5 days because no deductible is applicable here. This was due to accident. 5,000 rupees per day is the benefit limit selected. But this accident hospital cash benefit category says 2 times of daily hospital cash will be paid. It means 10,000 rupees per day will be paid for 5 days. So the total amount payable is 50,000 rupees. And since the claim is paid for 5 days, now the balance days left are 85. So is it clear? During accident hospital cash benefit category, 2 times of daily hospital cash benefit is paid, provided the hospitalization is for more than 24 hours. No deductible is applicable if the insured has suffered any accident or injury during the policy period and he is hospitalized. The claim will be settled without any deductible. And double up the limit he selected. So if he has selected 5,000 rupees per day benefit, he will be paid with the rate of 10,000 rupees per day benefit for the period of hospitalization. Third category is intensive care unit benefit. Under this category, if the insured is admitted in the ICU, maybe due to sickness, accident or injury, the company will pay 2.5 times of daily hospital cash benefit. If the insured is admitted in ICU during the policy period due to a sickness or accident or injury, the company will pay 2.5 times of the daily hospital cash benefit. 24 hours or more than 24 hours hospitalization must be there. ICU benefit is for maximum 15 days per policy year. 1 day deductible is mandatory if the insured is admitted due to sickness or illness. So for example, X opted basic plan for 90 days and 5,000 rupees per day benefit limit. He was hospitalized for 5 days. So 1 day deductible is applicable. Means after discharge, when he is filing the claim, he will be entitled for the 4 days claim. But for the claim of 4 days, he will be paid at the rate of 12,500 rupees per day. Because 5,000 is the limit he has selected. And company will pay 2.5 times of this limit. So 2.5 times of 5,000 is 12,500. It means for 4 days he will get 50,000. And since he has got the claim for 4 days only, a number of days still left for the remaining policy period are 86. So this is third category, intensive care unit. This is covered in both the plans, basic plan as well as in advanced plan. Now coming to the fourth category, because the basic plan covers only these 3 categories: sickness benefit, accident benefit and ICU benefit. So these 3 are the categories covered under the basic plan. Now coming to the advanced plan. So in the advanced plan, 3 more categories are there. First one is convergence benefit. So the convergence benefit means if the insured person has hospitalized for at least 15 consecutive days, then the company will pay additional lump sum amount equal to 5 times of daily cash. This benefit is specified in the policy schedule. 5 times of daily cash will be an additional amount for the reason of convergence. This benefit is payable in addition to basic plan. This benefit is available only once during the policy tenure for per insured person, and deductible is applicable as per plan. So try to understand it with an example. Plan opted is for 90 days. Benefit limit selected is for 5,000 rupees per day. Hospitalization period is 16 days in continuation. Deductible not applicable, maybe because he is admitted due to accident. So amount payable under this plan is for 16 days. So 16 days into 5,000 means 80,000. Now, convergence benefit is additional 5 days benefit. So 5,000 into 5 again 25,000. The total benefit payable is 1,05,000. And since the claim is paid for 16 days, that means out of the 90 days, now 74 days are still left out for the remaining policy period. So this is a convergence benefit which provides 5 times of daily cash benefit in addition to the actual entitlement. Next one is compassionate benefit. Compassionate benefit means if the insured person is hospitalized during the policy period for treatment of an injury due to an accident that occurred during the policy period, but if the insured person dies during the course of such hospitalization, the company will pay the nominee an additional lump sum amount equal to 10 times of daily hospital cash benefit amount specified in the policy. That means whatever per day limit he has selected and for whatever number of days he was hospitalized, that will be paid in normal course because that is the entitlement of the insured. But if he dies during the treatment, his nominee or his legal heirs will get 10 times of daily benefit extra without any deductible. So this benefit is payable in addition to the basic plan. For example, plan opted is for 90 days and limit opted is 5,000 rupees per day. Now the insured suffered with an accident. He was hospitalized. For 5 days his treatment continues and 6th day he died. So for 5 days, the basic benefit would be 5,000 into 5 means 25, but here because he was admitted due to accident, so the benefit would be double. So here 10,000 into 5 means 50,000. Then compassionate benefit for 10 days of the basic limit, 5,000 into 10. So 50,000 will be paid extra to his nominee. So this entire sum of 1 lakh rupees will be paid to the nominee because the insured has died already. So this is compassionate benefit. Sixth and last category of benefit is childbirth hospital cash. It means during the period, policy period, if the insured require admission in any hospital in India for the purpose of child delivery, then the company will pay to the insured daily hospital cash as per the plan updates. But here the important thing is the waiting period of 2 years from the date of addition of a spouse in the policy is applicable. Both self and spouse must be covered together. This cover is available for maximum of 2 child for lifetime. No deductible is applicable. Try to understand it with an example. So plan opted is 90 days and the limit opted is 5,000 rupees per day. So after 2 years, the child delivery is due. The lady is admitted in the hospital for 5 days and after the discharge filed the claim. So the company will waive 5 days into 5,000 means 25,000 rupees is entitlement without any compulsory deductible. And the number of days still remain are 85 because the claim for 5 days is paid. So for this benefit, the only condition is waiting period of 2 years, and that will start from the date of addition of the spouse in the policy. If from the day one the spouse is covered, in that case On first policy, this benefit is not payable. On first renewal, this benefit is not payable. On second renewal, this benefit is payable as per the entitlement. So, all these 6 benefits are available in the advance plan. Now, there are some exclusions of this policy, and the prominent of them is pre-existing disease. You are aware, no health insurance policy is covering pre-existing diseases because the disease which is diagnosed during the policy period is only covered with the fulfillment of the policy conditions of the waiting period. So, if there is any pre-existing disease, its direct complications shall be excluded until the expiry of 48 months of the continuous coverage. 48 months means 4 years waiting period is there after the date of inception of the policy with insurer. Secondly, certain diseases are excluded from this policy, from this coverage, and for them the waiting period of 24 months means 2 years is there. Third one is expenses related to the treatment of any illness within 30 days. That means 30 days waiting period is still there from the first policy commencement date. But this 30 days waiting period will not apply if the insured is admitted due to an accident. So the claim requirements are: insured must intimate to the insurer within 48 hours of admission. Intimation can be given even on the toll-free numbers. 2 important documents required are: first, the positive investigation report confirming the diagnosis. That will prove that yes, the insured is suffering from such and such disease, and this is the diagnosis of the treatment or of the disease. Second important document is original discharge summary or copy duly attested by hospital. Of course, duly filled claim form is required. And KYC documents are also required. Submission of claim document within 7 days of discharge can be there. And claim can be settled within 5 days, subject to all documents submitted in one go and subject to policy terms and conditions. Now, there are some additional features of this policy. First one is free look period of 15 days. As of now, almost in all health insurance policies, a free look period of 15 days is provided. During this period, the insured can decide whether he has to continue with the policy or not. Secondly, 30 days renewal grace period is provided. If the policy is renewed within 30 days of the expiry date, no benefit will be ceased. Like this waiting period. So, if the policy is renewed within 30 days, the continuity of the policy will be there. Third most important benefit is income tax rebate under Section 80D. So, Section 80D of the Income Tax Act provides that the premium paid under the health policy is exempted from the income tax. This policy also provides the discount. Direct discount is 18% and family discount is 10% if more than 2 members are covered. Premium table is there and premium is decided according to the age band. Age band means two different tables are there because 2 different plans are there, basic plan and advance plan. And two things the insurer has to select: days and the per day benefit limit. So according to these two things, rather three things, the premium will be there. Three things the insurer has to select: which plan he want to take, for how many days he want to take, and what per day benefit limit he want to take. So in the basic plan, the premium rate is lower as compared to the advanced plan, but all options are there. If the insured is going for 90 days plan only, he can select any per day benefit limit out of the available 5. 90 days with 1000 rupees per day, 90 days with 2000 rupees per day, 90 days with 5000 rupees per day, as per choice. Because higher is the per day benefit limit, higher is the premium. Lower is the per day benefit limit, lower is the premium. So similarly for 120 days and 180 days. So the age band will not work here directly. Rather, three options will work here. Three options of plan, number of days, and per day benefit limit. Because according to age, only two bifurcations are there: minor and major. Policy starts from the 91 days to 45 years. So 91 days to 18 years, the premium rate is lower. 18 and above means 19 to 45 years, premium is slightly higher. In both the plans, the method is the same. Because coverage will differ, accordingly the premium will also differ. So both plans are having the similar per day limit and similar number of days. There are certain other discounts. Direct discount is there 18%, employee discount is also there 9%, and group size discount is also there. Group size discount starts from 2% to 10%. If the group size is more than 4,000, 10% discount can be provided. So the policy is benefit based policy. Benefit limit is selected by the customer himself. Per day benefit limit is selected by the customer himself. Plans are selected by the customer himself. Policy will be accepted or rejected at this head office level, because a medical team will scrutinize the proposal. If there is any complexity or some medical condition is there, in that case the medical history can be asked for. But the plan is very simple, and this plan can be taken together with the medical claim policy, because this is not going to impact the benefit payable under the medical claim policy. Simultaneously, claim under both the policies can be settled. Age limit is there. For more than 45 years of the age, this policy will not be issued. But this can be reviewed in continuation if the policy is taken before 45 years, before completion of 45 years. So the good part of the policy is the claim is settled in one go. It is calculated on the basis of daily benefit limit, and daily benefit limits differs according to the benefit categories. These benefit categories are limited according to the plans. Basic plan has only 3 and the advanced plan has the 6. Under advanced plans, out of the any category, if the insured is seeking the claim, so the benefit of only concerned category will be paid. And not only the insured himself, but his family members who are covered under the policy can also take this benefit, because the policy coverage is provided for self, spouse and dependent children. So if the insured has taken a claim and after some time his wife is admitted and hospitalized, in that case she is also entitled for the claim as per the plan and as per the benefit category. So it's a good plan for the family, because the entire family, spouse and children are covered, and the proposer could be 18 years of age. So one good plan of health category is there, most relevant plan and most likable, because even the people those are having the indemnity based policies can take it. So that is all about this plan. Any questions? If you have any questions, you can ask.